So we're going to take this down to an incredible 39 grams. It is insane to get it down that light from 52 grams stock, but we're going to have to cut it up a little bit. But it's still going to look stock. You're going to like this video if you're into mounting mice, or you just want to see exactly how light you can get the Pulsar X2v2. So I'm Beardedbob, been game for 35 years, got over 230 mice. I know a lot about mice. I like to look at them in great detail. I also like to mod them and see what's possible and where the manufacturers could have taken them. I'm also into modding keyboards as well. So if you're into that kind of stuff, and you want to get that edge on your competitors, you come to that channel. Alright then, so destructive mod time for the Pulsar X2v2. We'll see what weight we can get down to, 52 grams stock. Let's cut the PCB first, I reckon. Alright, so all the traces look like easy to cut. Feel like they're around this bit here. See them here? Basically just ping, goodbye. All these weights are in the teardown, so oh, that's gone. Look at that back, it's flown off. That probably will help a bit of flex on the side. Let's see what it's like without there. See, even without it, look at that. Like, I really make a bit. I mean, you could practically, you can push the side if you proper cane that, but that's gonna be bridged by the first PCB because it's screwed in as well at 2.9 points, so that flex will go. On the left side there is no flex, so I mean you can properly like crush it if you want to be a noob. But yeah, given the weight, I'll say Pulsar's done a good job, given still how much protection they've left in it as well at the same time. It's impressive. We're definitely taking out the screw mount points because we know they aren't useful. I don't know, I think unless you put extreme pressure on the back, it's probably not going to flex. That's my opinion, but we'll find out. I'll be surprised if it does. Is that the mount for the PCB? I think it is. So we can take this one out. Is it 12.3? A little bit out of that. More than I was expecting there. Yeah, nice and clean, mate. We're definitely improving, aren't we? If you're not showing the weights, just tear down. You can see them. You don't need the screw points. So let's see what this weighs before we do a bit more. Is if you just trim it out, so it looks the same underneath. You sort of trim out the top part. A couple of grams off. Yeah, but you've got to be careful, obviously. Make sure you got the mounting points. But beyond that, you can probably trim most of it out. You can probably trim out this whole leg here a bit. But it might cause it to flex. I might leave one bar in to help the support on the flex because we took out the PCB bit. That'll probably be the wise thing to do. We need the battery to fit on the back, but we need something to mount it to, you see. See, I reckon Pulsar could take it to this level and just put a white battery or something here, or like a piece of paper over it on the plastic. Just make it a bit tidier. Got to trim that edge a little bit. See, it's a little bit thinner now. It's a bit more tidying up, but it's a bit thinner. But you got to be careful you don't knock out these posts, so just be careful of that. You could take some out here and here, but I'm not going to do it because I want to put proper skates back on it. But you could do that if you wanted to make it extra light. Take a little bit more out of it if you wanted. You have to take it out on the sides here, probably for the rear and on the front. But probably a little bit if you want to take that little bit extra more. But you want to put the skates on it then. Put this puppy back together. What do you reckon the weight's going to be then? Come on. I'm going to go 39. Still pretty sturdy. You can get it to flex a little maybe if you squish it extra hard. See that little flex? But that's quite a lot. Now normally, there's no flex normal. And there we go. I'm going to be below, I'm hoping it's below 40. With all these bits on it though. Oh, nowhere near, god damn. Let's see what we get down to without the side buttons. It's got to be 40, 39 without sides, I reckon. Still with the stock vibe. There you go. 38, not bad. Take a little bit out of the front here. It's a very weak part, the front part. There you go. And thin this out a little bit as well. Right, there we go. So this finally weighs. Oh my dear, it's 41. Here we go. So we took 0.3 grams off the extra bit. Alright, ready marks. Because we're close, we'll go in front of the skate. I don't know. I don't like taking that part out really. We can go with just to make sure we're just between these posts. And maybe we can trim that. Probably trim that full piece out. Alright, let's do it. Tidy up a little bit, but get the idea then. Took it a little bit further maybe, but if you're going to do it, you might as well go fully. I guess you might still get a skate in there if you're lucky. Right, look at this bad boy now. We have done some work on this. No, it's still pretty solid. So that's a little bit of flex on the rear, but I tell you, you have to be pretty hard to pushing that. That is still pretty rock hard. I think Pulsar needs to take it a little bit further. Oh, god damn. I need that 0.3 of a gram off it. I guess what we can do is drill. We can go here now because we've done the front one. We can come out the back here maybe a little bit. That's probably the play. Here we go. Let's see if this will get the bit we need so we can do that bit. If not, we'll have to look elsewhere. $38.8. Nah, I reckon it's going to be just below 39.7. Here we go. Look at this. That looks pretty good. That base doesn't look too bad given it's been hand cut. Oh my, it's trolling me. Oh my please. Can't be taking the piss. I'll definitely get it below 40. This is it, we're done. I could thin this bit out. But that's the point, so we'll take that. We're going for this bit. This is the safer bit. So there we go. Still looks absolutely stock. I mean, it doesn't look too bad on the bottom, to be fair. It's not like some of the other ones we've done. Still pretty firm. A little bit of bulgy if we squeeze it really hard. You've got to squeeze it pretty hard. Get below that 40. Don't let me down. Yes! No, no, yes! Don't touch the desk. Finally.